Mr. Speaker, firstly, I wish to acknowledge our Honourable Prime Minister for his visionary leadership to establish this partnership with the Australian Prime Minister in the early January this year. Under the partnership, Mr. Speaker, the Australian Prime Minister invited Fiji to join in this program. Mr. Speaker, on the 5th April 2019, with the signing of the PLS agreement in Canberra, paved the way for Fiji's participation. And Mr. Speaker, the PLS focus on the locations in rural and regional Australia that require skills levels that are low to semi-skilled. The scheme is targeting workers between the ages of 21 to 45 years, where the term of work could range from 12 months to 3 years, with a minimum of 12 months. Mr. Speaker, at the completion of their 3 years, a 1-year stand-down period is allowed before a worker can be recalled by the employer or to reapply. This stand-down period, Mr. Speaker, allows equal opportunities to all Fijians who wish to apply for the scheme, and in addition, the 1-year stand-down period allows workers to share their new learned skills and experience in our local market or to start up a business initiative on their own, and in doing so, creating employment space which contributes to the national economic growth. Mr. Speaker, industries that are currently showing interest in Fiji are tourism, meat worker, processing and aged care. Mr. Speaker, the Pacific Labour Scheme allows equal opportunities to all Fijian workers. Our obligation is to assist in the screening process, which involves police and medical clearance and the normal interview process. This is to ensure, Mr. Speaker, that we send the right people with the right attitude and right set of mind to remain focused and committed through the term of their engagement and to honour and observe their contract conditions. Mr. Speaker, since the signing of this MOU with Australia in April 2019, we will be sending 51 Fijians to work in the meat industry and as a chef by the end of this month. Airfares and visa fees are paid by the employer, and the worker reimbursed the full cost over an agreed period of time once in Australia. Mr. Speaker, for a normal 38 hours working week, each meat worker is expected to receive Australian 776.34 per week or 1,125.77 Fijian, equivalent to 58,540 per annum. Mr. Speaker, it only happens under the Fiji First government. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Honourable Member.